Hello guys, so in today's video we're gonna be looking at how to open and close trades on Tiblio. It's gonna be a really simple video, just kind of like showing around the website so you guys can get started in doing passive income. Today's I'm dressing up a little nice, so for the occasion, even though I'm wearing shorts, but just got this little briefcase. So even though you're just making $10, $5, whatever you're doing, you gotta treat it as a job. That's why I bought this little briefcase, so I can keep all my stuff organized. You know, my computer, all my stuff, real estate stuff. So yeah, just follow along. Go like the videos, subscribe for more, and then I'll see you guys in the video. Hello guys, subscribe, like the video. Like, turn that button blue, subscribe to the channel. We're now at 14, so keep subscribing, hit the bell notifications, and check out this video. I love this video. Only has 7 views, but it's really good video. I put a lot of time into it. Just check it out. And also you get to see my little dog right there on the screen. Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Alright guys, so we're now, if you guys can see my screen, so we're right now inside of Tiblio. Okay, so we're gonna be like simulating like opening a trade, closing it, and stuff like that, and how you can check out like credit spreads, how to check them out, and at what time the email comes, how much money you have to pay, and then how to check naked puts. All right, so okay, so the first thing I do is around probably 10:30, 10:45, you're gonna receive an email from Tiblio. Okay, they're gonna show you the plays for today. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to just open them and just create passive income, basically. So now we're checking right now the credit spreads. So as you guys can see, they send you this ones, okay? This alerts, okay? As you guys can see, the symbols are like the stock symbols, puts and calls, depending if you feel bullish or if you feel bearish about the stock or the market. You can play different styles. I preferably play put credit spreads because I'm a more like a bullish person. It's just the way I am. I don't like to go against the market because you're gonna get slapped in the face. I've seen stocks run, you know, some people thinking it's gonna go down, and it should go down, but all of a sudden, you know, everybody starts buying and it just keeps going up and up, and whoever is charting the stock has to buy it back, you know, and it keeps going up and up and up. Like, look at Hertz, you know. So that's why I'm always like a bullish person. That's up to you guys, okay? Now this is a strike price, okay? So meaning minus 356, it means that you're gonna short it, okay? You're gonna sell that contract, and then you're gonna buy this one, the one that says plus, the one you're gonna buy to cover your position, okay? This, I guess this is like the price the stock it is right now. So they say it's at 372. So this your max return. This is your probability of profit. Okay, so this is the percent profit that your probability that you're gonna make money. Okay, so this is the estimate credit you're gonna get. Okay, so your max return, this is the money they're gonna give you. Your estimate credit, okay, is like I explained to you guys, auctions they come in hundreds. Okay, so 0.14 cents times 100 is $14. That's what that money comes from. Okay, so every one contract is 100 shares. Okay, So they're gonna give you this money, okay? Plus you gotta cover your position, and then that money in between, that's where you're gonna make max return. This is your max loss, okay? Um, so now let's try to open a trade. Let's say we want to open a SPY trade, the S&P 500. Open vertical. They're gonna ask you. Um, you should already have this set up. You don't have to like change anything here. Okay. So now they said that they were gonna give us 14 cents. Okay. Now it could depend that in the time that you got in, it could give you more or they could give you less. That's why they're asking you right here how much credit you received. Let's say you received $15, and then you just open one trade. Okay. Now, if you're trading on Robinhood and most of the brokers here in US, there's no commission paid, so you just put 0. Save vertical spread. Okay, it says well done. Your trade is logged, and you now why not share it with your friends? I guess you can share it on Facebook, but let's go continue to trade board. Okay, now these are the trades that I have made and then that I have open. Okay, let's find the SPY. It should appear here. Okay, see, so this one is these are the plays that I have made in the past, and these are the ones that are open. Okay, so if you guys see here, we got the SPY. We got one open. Okay, and I only have made one, so I haven't played any strategies in the market. So okay, so let's go here. Here's a tip that I'm gonna give you guys. Okay, so let's say there's 5 days until expiration. This is my tip when to close a trade. Okay, let's say there's 5, 7 days, whatever, 2 weeks until you're gonna expire worthless. Okay, now first of all, I don't recommend going into the last day and expiring worthless. If you guys want to check out what could happen, look it up online. It's really bad what can happen. So always close the trade in the day that is gonna expire if you guys decide to do that. Now, how I close my trades is, let's say there's 1 week. I have 1 week until the trade is gonna expire. Okay. Now let's say out of the $15, I'm making $10. Why would I wait 1 week or 2 weeks when the market could actually, go down and tank, where I can just go ahead and take my profits and run, put my money somewhere else? It just doesn't make sense to hold any trades. Just whatever you guys are getting, if you what's it called, like if you're gonna make like this one here, like this one here, 98, you're not gonna make sometimes the whole amount. If you're making $60, and it's probably it went on your favor in a day or two, why wait a week or two? Just go ahead and take the money, put it somewhere else. Keep moving that money. That's what's gonna make you money. Don't get stuck in one play. And also, like, if you're losing, just don't, like, if it's something unreal, just get that money out. Lose a little bit of money, but now you can put that money towards a new investment. Meaning that don't get stuck in any place. Okay, now let's go here on SPY. Now let's say right now I'm making $10, and I'm like, okay, I want to get out. Okay, you go here, and now let's say you close the position. You put 1. Okay, and then you put the price that you bought it back. Okay, it's not the money they gave you. It's the price, the amount that you paid. Okay, now, meaning you paid. You're like, Ronald, what do you mean I paid? Yeah, you paid to close a position down. Okay, now they gave us 14 right? 15. They gave us 15. Now let's say you made $10. That means you're paying 5.05. Okay. You put that in, commission, no commission, create closing trade. Now, if you guys can see right here, this number went up a little bit, okay? Just because it's adding up profits, okay? Yep, so now you guys can see there's nothing open. It's zero open plays. And then I made $10, okay? That's how much I made. So they gave me 15, okay? I made $10. And now that's how much money I made. Yeah, this is a losing trade. It is crazy. It went to the other way. So it happens. But as long as you're making more money than you're losing, you're okay. So this is how much I have made so far. So we're looking good so far. So I show you guys how to look up for a new play, credit spread, and now naked puts. So if you want to do naked puts, you got to have the money to buy 100 shares, okay, of whatever price the stock is. So yep, you got to have some money. As you can see right here, max loss. This is just kind of the amount of money you need to open a trade like this, okay? Now, if you got $10,000, $5,000, I suggest you doing this. This is pretty good, safe way. Now you can do the wheel strategy. You know, is the never losing strategy. So let's say you like. Let's see if they got Neo here. Okay, they got Neo. Let's say you like Neo at 42. You know, probably I think Neo is around 42. But let's say Neo is around $50 and you like it at 42. Now you can sell a put to buy it cheaper, and then they give you money to buy it cheaper. Why you wouldn't do that? I mean, that's unbelievable. They give you 300. Now it's probably not gonna be this amount of money, but let's say it's this. You know, they give you money in order to buy it cheaper. Now, what about if it goes to 42? Now you gotta buy your shares. That's why you put this money in collateral. You know, the amount of money that is needed to buy 100 shares of Neo at 42 strike, 42 price, you know. So they're gonna obligate you to buy it, okay? Now, so let's say it doesn't go below 42 or at 42, you keep this money no matter what. So that's one of the good things, you know. So let's say you gotta buy it back, okay? Now you own 100 shares of Neo, okay? Now what you do is you sell a call above. Let's say you sell a call at a 50, and then they give you credit again just because you own 100 shares. Now you can sell contracts off your 100 shares. Now, if it goes to 100 shares, you sell the shares, but you bought it at 42. So if they obligate you to sell the shares at $50, okay, that's fine. So you won $300. Now you won again because the stock price went up, and then you keep your credit. So you win 3 times. Now you go ahead and repeat the same thing. Now you sell 42, you get credit. Okay, they say the exercise you. Okay, you buy them, you sell call, and again and again and again and again, and you just keep building that that compound interest. By the time you think about it, you're probably doing it twice. Instead of making $338, you're making, you know, 600 and something, and then it's even more and more and more. So wouldn't you guys would like to have that amount coming every month, you know, or every week? It's unbelievable the amount of money you can make in the stock market just if you do it right. All right, guys. So this is it. This is the video. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any ideas of different videos, please comment down below. So yeah, if you guys want me to show you guys the Ford challenge, go ahead and comment down below. I had 100 shares. Now I have 200. So I'm gonna be making around 20 something dollars a week, every week. So by the time I get 300, it's gonna be almost $40 a week, every week. So it's gonna be fun to see uh, where that leads us to. So we'll see, and hopefully the stock price goes up with the um, also goes up with everything that's going on with the electric cars, and then we can make all money. So just comment down below if you guys would like me to go ahead and show you guys that challenge. I really love that challenge, and hopefully in 8 years, 10 years, I'm gonna be making another video here on YouTube showing you guys how I'm making in a week $12,000 in a week. We'll see you guys in 10 years. So keep track of it. If you guys want to jump with me and do it with me, we can all do it together. So just comment down below if you guys want to see this challenge coming next. All right. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.